Hey there, gadget enthusiasts. Welcome back to another in-depth review. Today, I'm diving into the Tecno Spark 20 Pro, one of the latest offerings in the mid-range smartphone market. This phone has been creating quite a buzz, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. Let's see if it has what it takes to stand out. First up, performance. The Tecno Spark 20 Pro runs on Android V13 and is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset. This octa-core processor, clocked at 2.2 GHz for the dual-core and 2 GHz for the hexa-core, is paired with 8 GB of RAM. This combination promises smooth multitasking and a decent gaming experience. You're getting a 6.78-inch IPS LCD with a full HD plus resolution of 1080 x 2460 pixels. The 120 Hz refresh rate is a sweet addition, making everything look buttery smooth. Plus, the bezel-less design with a punch-hole display maximizes screen real estate. Now, onto the cameras. The rear setup includes a 108MP wide-angle primary camera with up to 10x digital zoom. It supports 2K video recording at 30 FPS. The front camera is a 32MP wide-angle lens with dual LED flash capable of full HD recording at 30 FPS. Battery life is another strong point. With a 5000 mAh battery and 33W supercharging via a USB Type-C port, you can expect long usage without constantly hunting for a charger. In terms of storage, you get 256 GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to a whopping 1 TB. So, is the Tecno Spark 20 Pro worth it? If you're looking for a feature-packed phone with impressive specs and don't mind the lack of 5G, it's definitely a solid contender in the mid-range segment. That's all for this video. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gadget reviews. Your support helps us bring more content like this. Catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and tech updates.